I would begin this video with a strong opening image of a broad group of employees, each representing a different industry standing proudly together. We can see the tenacity and fortitude imprinted in their expression as the camera moves across their faces. Labor Day is observed annually in remembrance of the innumerable people whose labor, sweat, and devotion power machine of advancement. Every individual who contributes to the development of our society, from the builder who builds our cities to the educator who is molding the minds of the future to medical professional who gives unceasing care to the ill, is essential. Scenes of workers is diverse context from flash across the screen, demonstrating their efforts and emphasizing their relevance to the society. As a working student and an employee myself, I speak about this. All I want to do is make sure we don't overlook the difficulties they faced in the process. Unfair labor practices and low pay are just two of the challenges that many workers continue to encounter in order to succeed. The workers' steadfast spirit of unity persists in spite of these problems. Let us reaffirm our commitment to pursuing justice, equality, and dignity for all workers as we commemorate the 122nd Labor Day, and merely to pay tribute to the dedicated men and women who propel the advancement of our country. Let's work together to create a future which each employee is appreciated, valued, and given the opportunity to realize their greatest potential.